Ever wondered why the world seems to get cheaper the richer you get? It's a cruel paradox. Being broke is actually expensive. In economics, we call this the boots theory. Think about it. If you can only afford $50 boots, you'll have to replace them every year because they wear out. In 10 years, you've spent $500 and you still have wet feet. But the person who could afford $500 premium boots on day one, they stayed dry for a decade. They spent the exact same amount, but they enjoyed 10 years of quality, while you suffered 10 years of failure. That is the poverty tax. It doesn't stop at boots. Look at credit. If you're wealthy, banks beg to lend you money at near zero interest. But if you're struggling, you're at risk. So they charge you double-digit interest rates, making the same borrowed dollar twice as expensive for you. Rich people buy time. They fix problems while they're small and boring. A $50 oil change today saves a $5,000 engine failure tomorrow. But when you're living paycheck to paycheck, you can't afford to be proactive. You wait until the engine explodes because you had no choice. Wealth isn't just about luxury cars or big houses. It's about the logic of efficiency. It's the ability to buy quality once instead of buying junk forever. To reclaim your life, you must first understand the system that's designed to keep you paying. Master the logic. Reclaim your future. Subscribe to Orbit Logic.